Setting up Depop shipping is a straightforward process that allows sellers to efficiently manage and fulfill orders on the platform. To begin, log into your Depop account and navigate to the Settings section, where you will find the shipping options. First, you need to set your shipping location, which will determine the base rate for your shipping costs. You can do this by entering your address and selecting your country and region. Next, you will need to set your shipping rates, which can be based on the weight, size, or type of item being shipped. Depop offers two shipping options: manual and calculated shipping. Manual shipping allows you to set a fixed rate for each item, while calculated shipping uses the item's weight and dimensions to estimate the shipping cost. To use calculated shipping, you will need to enter the weight and dimensions of each item, as well as the shipping carrier and service you plan to use. Once you have set your shipping rates, you can start listing items for sale. When creating a listing, make sure to select the shipping option you want to use and enter the relevant details, such as the weight and dimensions of the item. When an item sells, Depop will automatically generate a shipping label with the calculated shipping cost. You can then print the label and ship the item to the buyer. It is essential to ensure that your shipping labels are accurate and up to date to avoid any issues with delivery. To ensure a smooth shipping process, it is crucial to keep your shipping settings up to date and to communicate with buyers regarding any shipping delays or issues. You should also consider offering tracking information to buyers, as this can help to build trust and improve the overall buyer experience. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Depop shipping and start selling items efficiently on the platform. Remember to always review and update your shipping settings regularly to ensure that you are providing the best possible service to your buyers.